Hello guys, it's your girl Shawnette. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Please take a minute to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button as well, and watch the video till the end. I hope you enjoy.
Lighten up, take me on the magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up, tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can.
All right, guys, look at my living room. It's empty, waiting for my new couch set coming to Powell. Yes, not tomorrow, to Powell. Yeah.
Take the truth,
Where we gonna sit? We gonna sit it on the floor.
call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. But things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow.
All right, guys, this is it for now. That's how it's gonna stay. Leave the floor open so we can dance when we have a little get together. That's our little boombox for now. But we are going to be replacing that and putting speakers in the corner there and speakers somewhere else. But yep, this is the setup for now. I like it. All right, guys, I'm in my closet. I'm getting ready for bed right now. Excuse the fit. But yeah, my daughter, she's been after me for these shoes for a long time. But I have to say she's been patient. She haven't been hounding me or anything. But yeah, I just woke up the other morning and said, you know what, I'm going to order her shoes because basketball season is starting. Well, it started already. She's practicing, but her first game is starts next week. And I wanted to get her new shoes that she wanted to play. She's been wearing her sister's shoes for the past 2 years. So I bought her shoes. So I just want to see her reaction. We're going to blindfold her and just surprise her with it. I didn't tell her anything. It came in the mail today, but let me show them to you before I surprise her. Hold on. All right, guys, here they are. Make sure the light is there. Here they are. I thought they were orange, but look at them. They're different colors. And it's so cool. It's so cute. She's been after these shoes for a long time. So I'm so grateful I'm able to bless her with them. Let's see here. What is the name of it? So Giannis Immortality 2 is what it's called. Here it is. Yeah. So I am going to call her in the room and I'm going to talk to her. And yeah, I don't know if she might see the camera roll in, but if I don't catch it on camera, it's okay. But I'll try. It's dark in the room. All right, let's see what we can get away with. I'm going to set you guys up somewhere. Just want to get her reaction. I don't expect it to be like over the top or anything, but... Hold her, Jasmine. Ginger, stop smelling. Everything new you like smell.
Ginger!
Let me go get the beer.
Yeah. Or mine.
Here. All right, guys. As you can see, her reaction, it wasn't too over the top. So that's the way she is. Yeah, she's not very, don't get too excited about anything. So yeah, so there you go. All right, guys, this is what I'm up to today. The movers, not the movers, but the delivery guys are here with my love seat and sofa and chair. It's all coming. So yes, today is the day, the delivery day. So they are coming. Let me show you guys Ginger. She see the people coming and she was just barking. So I had to lock her in there. Look, she's sitting on top of the stairs just watching us. So she heard the man and he was scared.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. If things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow, and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. Crying on my pillow, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away.
Yeah, they're going in the same spot, but it's just only difference. This one have
Lighten up,
this one
take me on the magic river. Tell me all your dreams align.
yeah, this one have lights. No.
Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive.
Vex.
hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth and call me out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I can.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. I am so excited. I have the Dish Network guy here changing out my, let me mute, changing out my, just cleaning up over here. He's putting a wireless box here, so I'm getting rid of this, the big box that was sitting there, so it's gonna look nice and clean, and I can decorate and put what I want here. I'm so excited. I'm so tired of this. He came for one thing, came to connect the television in my theater room. Let me show you. So it's all connected now, as you can see. So I have everything down here now that's all working. And he's gonna help me out with my camera, setting up my camera downstairs. So yes, I'm so excited. I've been wanting this for so long. I've been telling my husband we need to get someone to come and put the wires behind the wall, do all this stuff, but it's so happening right now. I'm so happy about that. So yeah, let's see. He's putting that big ugly box in the room. Let me show you. Yeah. All right, he's putting the ugly box there. I don't mind it in the room. And then he's gonna put the wireless one downstairs. That's what I'm up to. I'm editing a video right now. And I don't know what we're up to this weekend. We're gonna be going to the Capitol building. We're gonna take a tour of the Capitol. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. So if you've never seen the Capitol, we're gonna experience that together. So yes, guys, as you can see, I'm editing here. I'm running my video there. And I am chatting with you here. So yes, guys, let me go. Hopefully jazzy music don't give me a copyright strike or anything.
If you have power back behind that TV, all of this cable and everything will all be right. If I can get back behind it, nothing breaks. Two people pull the fan, pull the TV off.